What's the meaning of Christmas tree? Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. Christmas tree. A Christmas tree is a decorated evergreen tree, typically a pine or fir, associated with the celebration of Christmas. The tradition of decorating trees during winter festivals dates back to ancient Roman and Egyptian times, with the first recorded use of a Christmas tree in modern-day Germany in the 16th century. Today, the Christmas tree is a prominent symbol of the holiday season around the world, with many families and communities putting up trees, often adorned with lights, tinsel, and other decorations, as part of their holiday traditions.